Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get like diving valves in Heartopia. It is the currency for the Dave the Diver collab. It's the No Bubbles Lost collab. And well, this is the title of the event. And to get the diving valves, here it explains you need to clean the ocean here in Whalefall Canyon. And you can also get it when collecting any material in Whalefall Canyon as well. You can also get it by completing daily requests. What else? Oh, you can also exchange it with your Moonlight Crystals here, but those are the only ways to get it. As you can see, I got diving valves here, and from completing dailies, I got, oh my gosh, 2 per daily request. That's not a lot. But you also get it from collecting materials here as well. It doesn't show, but you do get it. Don't worry, guys. But I think I've just collected a lot. Maybe on the next one I will get it. But you do get it. It is completely random. And in previous events, you get it as well by like harvesting and like by fishing and cooking. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!